Here's a spectacular landscape of sculpture, but it's not sculpture in steel or brass or anything like that, because that can be expensive and slow. This is something that's very economical to do. What you do is you plant several of these Australian native, what we've got here is fine leaf Grevillea or creeping saltbush. Plant several of them close together, let them grow up together, and then cut them into interesting and spectacular shapes with a little bit of contrast, a little bit of interest, sort of free flowing. And you see here, it looks really, really amazing. Now anybody could do this anywhere. They're very, very hardy. They're frost hardy, they're drought hardy, they're heat hardy. You'd grow them almost anywhere, and it's quite an inexpensive way to do it, and quite quick. It will only take 2 or 3 years to make really, really beautiful big full shapes when you plant several plants in a clump, which is what you've got here. And anybody could do this, and then you combine it with some nice ground covers and some beautiful interesting trees. Like here you've got eucalypts, but you could use crepe myrtles or something like that. And the sort of ground covers that would look good would be ivies, Chinese star jasmine, or if you're staying native, myporum like arena or something like that. So this is a landscape that anybody could have, not expensive, easy to do, but really, really spectacular and interesting.